In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink PayPal from Payhip. If you've been using Payhip to sell products or accept payments, there may come a time when you want to disconnect your PayPal account. Maybe you're switching to a different payment provider, using a new PayPal account, or simply tidying up your integrations. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to safely unlink PayPal from your Payhip account. First, go ahead and log into your Payhip dashboard using your usual login details. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see an option labeled Account. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that list, choose Settings. This will take you straight to your main account settings area. On the settings page, you'll notice several different tabs, each controlling a specific part of your Payhip account. What you're looking for is the tab labeled Payment Details. Go ahead and click that. This section is where all your payment methods and payout configurations are managed, so you'll be able to see exactly which options are currently linked to your account. Within the Payment Details section, you'll see a list of your available payment methods. Among them, look for PayPal. It should be clearly labeled so you can identify it easily. On the right-hand side of the PayPal option, you'll find a button that says Manage. Click on this Manage button to open the settings specifically for your PayPal connection. A new panel or page will appear showing the details related to your PayPal integration. Scroll down to the bottom left area of this section, and you'll see a button labeled Disconnect. This is the option that will remove the link between Payhip and your PayPal account. Click the Disconnect button. When you do this, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to proceed. This extra step is there to help prevent accidental disconnections, since removing PayPal can affect how you receive payments on your store. Take a moment to make sure you really do want to unlink it. Then in the pop-up, click Yes, Disconnect. Once you confirm, Payhip will process your request, and your PayPal account will be unlinked from your Payhip profile. At this point, PayPal will no longer be used as a payment method for your Payhip sales unless you decide to connect it again in the future.